Hello everyone, welcome to Get My Class. Today we're going to solve this question which says withdrawal method of birth control is option A coitus interruptus, option B periodic abstinence, option C rhythm method, option D lactational amenorrhea. So let us understand the question. It says withdrawal method of birth control is. So what do you mean by withdrawal method? Withdrawal method. So what do you mean by that? Okay, and why are we talking about birth control here? So withdrawal method in case of birth control means withdrawal of withdrawal of penis, withdrawal of penis, okay, just before ejaculation, just before ejaculation. So what do you mean by just before ejaculation? Ejaculation is the step, or you can say the process by which the sperms are released, right? Okay. So just before the ejaculation, if the penis is withdrawn from the vagina of the female, then what happens? That the sperm will not be released inside the vagina. Okay. And hence sperms may come out and it can be clean. Okay. So that method would be definitely very helpful for avoiding pregnancy. So withdrawal method, withdrawal of penis just before ejaculation. Okay. So as I told you, when the penis is withdrawn during the coitus, that is just before the release of the sperm, that will definitely avoid pregnancy. So it is used for birth control. Okay, birth control. It is one of the birth control method, which is a natural method. Okay, there is no side effects here. Okay, and there is no side effects. Side effects or no need of any chemicals or any intrauterine devices, etc. Okay. So let us see. It says withdrawal method of birth control is option A is coitus interruptus. Yes. So we are talking about the interruption of coitus, that is just before the release of the sperm, the penis is withdrawn. That is also called as coitus interruptus. Why interruptus? Because it is getting interrupted, right? Okay. So withdrawal method is also called as coitus interruptus. That is correct answer. But option B says periodic abstinence. Periodic abstinence where there is skipping of periods, okay, or menstrual cycle. It is related to menstrual cycle. Okay. So, but here they are talking about withdrawal method. So that is related to coitus interruptus. Okay. Hence option B is ruled out. Option C says rhythm method. Rhythm method. So what do you mean by rhythm method? It is also a type of periodic abstinence only. Okay, it is again related to menstrual cycle because there is certain period that is usually between 11th to 17th days. Okay, 11th to 17th day, you are not supposed to have any coitus during the menstrual cycle because that is the phase which can be expected for ovulation. Okay, but normally it is the ovulation occurs between like 12th to 14th day, but to be safe, 11th to 17th day, if coitus should be avoided. Okay, and that is what is called as rhythm method. So based on the rhythm of the menstrual cycle. So periodic abstinence is related to that itself. Okay, so hence option 1. Okay, as I told you. So both are same. Like periodic abstinence is a type of rhythm method itself. Okay. Then option D says lactational amenorrhea. So what do you mean by lactational? So wherever we see lactational or lactation, we speak about milk production, right? Yes. So lactational amenorrhea, amenorrhea is nothing but absence of menstrual cycle. So when the mother is feeding the baby during the first 6 months, okay, after delivery, during first 6 months, there will be intense lactation. Okay, there is intense lactation because of which there will not be menstrual cycle. Okay, there will no menstrual. Okay, menstruation you can say. Okay, so that is why there will not be any ovulation and hence no production. Okay, but that is nowhere related to withdrawal method. Okay, it is another type of method which has to be followed with respect to the females. But withdrawal method, it is followed with respect to the males. Okay, so let us conclude the answer. So what is the answer? The answer is option A. That is coitus interruptus. I hope you understood the explanation. Thank you, everyone.